Number 9 on the Unit 7 review says g of x equals 2 plus 3/4 x, and asks you to find the inverse. So in order to find the inverse, the first thing I do is replace g of x with y. And then I switch x and y. So x comes on the left, everything stays the same except for x and y, and I switch x and y. Now my job is to solve for y. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move the 2 over by subtracting 2 on both sides. So we get x minus 2 equals 3/4 y. Now instead of dividing by 3/4, I'm going to actually split it up. So because I hate fractions, I'm going to multiply everything by 4 first. So my 4's on the left are going to cross out. And I get 4x minus 8 equals 3y. From here, then I can divide by 3. So the inverse function equals 4x minus 8 over 3. Or you can separate into two fractions, 4/3 x minus 8/3.